Recording on. Hopefully, y'all can hear this recording now on QuickTime Player. So, let's see. I'm gonna let it sit till about 8:05. Let people join. That said they were gonna be on. Then I'll just get started. If that's the if nobody gets on, we'll just start with whoever's in the room. All right. Yes, I'm getting some stuff on my desktop. I know y'all can't see it. All right, let's get started. So, share my screen. All right, so today was a pretty interesting day. I think that the way that the market is moving is somewhat connected to the assassination attempt on Donald Trump this past, what was it, Sunday? Saturday? I believe it was Saturday. And now I believe that this scenario, like, it sounds crazy to try to correlate or try to, you know, correlate the events of the economics and politics, is a better word for it, to what's happening on the charts. But the market has been moving very awkwardly, very indecisively. I think that the market is moving in a way if it's showing the sentiment that if President Trump had gotten shot, then the market would have reacted very volatile, or the market would have sold off extremely, would have had an extreme sell off, due to that. Right now, it's just very indecisive. Um, so yeah, yesterday took no trades. Let me go to Notion. I'm gonna have to reload it. Can I do that? Let me quit it. Restart. Okay. All right. So what's going on? All right, bro. Why does it? Do I have to quit it on here? Thank you for coming back up. Okay. So what's up, Jones? How you doing? I'm good. I'm good. You can hear me well? You can hear me all right? Okay. All right. Cool. I was just making sure I got my headphones in. Yeah. So, uh, I saw that GJ, um, no position. Those two positions you got in, they looked good from like the way that you trade. They look consistent with the way that you trade. I definitely. It's kind of odd that all of us took losses. Um, yeah. Yeah. No, I don't blame you. I would say, yeah, yeah. I would say that I do think that the assassination attempt on Trump may have shook the markets as a whole. That's the only thing that I think, makes even a tiny bit of sense as to why the market's been moving weird this week so far. Even with the news that we've had, yeah, usually it would, like, at least one or two of us gets the move that we were looking for. Um, but yeah, uh, I'm just going over like Monday because Monday was honestly some BS. Really, nothing happened all day. Price moved in the direction that I was looking for it to go, but no entry was provided that followed any type of plan. Like, even looking back at the price action, there was nowhere to enter that made much sense. Um, like, you could have entered, yeah, and bought, and then, like, had a winning trade, but it wouldn't have been rooted in any type of system or any type of like real analysis. Uh, yeah, at least from my current knowledge. Uh, so yeah, that was this was Monday. Are you able to see my screen? Okay, all right, cool. Yeah, so this was Monday. Pretty shitty. I'm not gonna lie. Today was today was better, but just I think I I followed my plan, but I still should not, I would say, have taken the trade looking back at it, at the significance of the imbalance that I was looking to take the trade off of. Just because, like, the imbalance was so small that the likelihood of it actually being um, something to, like, respect uh, was, like, was, it was a slim chance. So, uh, so yeah. Today I'll say was a good day. I mean, now I just know, like, the size of the imbalances, um, especially even on the 5 minute. I was thinking that since it was a 5 minute imbalance that I was taking the entry off of, it would have respected it a little bit better. But I just need to, with situations like this, just not take the trade. Um, it is what it is, though. I'm not mad. I see, like, there was an opportunity to possibly get in today off of a demand zone, but I haven't traded that way consistently enough or really tested it consistently enough to take it. If I had taken it, I would have made money, but that's not how I'm really trying to. That's really not how I'm trying to look at the market right now. Trying to like I'm gonna keep testing it, and then if it turns out to be something promising, then I'll add it. Uh, so yeah, yes, yeah, yeah. It was yesterday. I was there was yeah. No, thanks. Yeah, I'm trying to measure my good days based off of if I follow my rules, not really based off the P&L. Um, yeah, very true. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's a fact. I appreciate that. You spitting wisdom. This actually this is being recorded, so whoever watches it on YouTube is gonna get that. Yeah, they're gonna get that that knowledge right there. But yeah, no, that's really it from my end. I'm gonna let you share your screen, and then we can talk about what we're looking at for tomorrow. Let me check real quick. Do we have news tomorrow? Um, news. We got. Oh, it's today. Tomorrow we really do not have much news, so tomorrow might not be a great day. Uh, volume wise, but oh no, you're good. You're good. Um, but either way, like I'm still gonna be open to trading tomorrow, if if that's the case. Um, but yeah, that's really it for me. Today's probably gonna be a bit of a shorter call. Uh, let me. Yeah, right. Let me. Um, mhm. Have. Mm. Yeah, it's definitely rejecting, showing signs of continuation. Um, hmm. Yeah. Um, Maybe we might get. It really just looks like. Yeah, that's looking. Um. Yeah, but you would have what? You would have gotten like there was really no where was there for you to enter though? Can you go down to like the 15, 30, 15, 5? Yeah, like I'm confused as to where's the entry opportunity? Like so I like that. So you were and you entered at a pretty good time around like 9 when like, some that that London New York crossover time. Oh, this was last night. So so that's weird then because then it's going right into London session. So then it should still be good volume. Mm-hmm. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Can you zoom out a little bit? Yeah, zoom out a little bit to where like it's okay, that's perfect. So, do you think that with the way that it broke up so like that initial move you showed me on the 12th where it came back and then retested before making its way no, on the 12th of July. So like do you think it would have maybe served you better to wait for something like that again versus entering off of the breakout? Okay. Um, I'm just okay. I mean, it's fun though. I mean, you've traded breakouts in the past, and they've seemed to work for you. So I wouldn't say it goes against your plan unless you don't want it to be a part of your plan anymore. I mean, definitely don't beat yourself up over it. Mm. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's just something to know. I mean, either way, like even if you had entered on that retest, it would be consolidating still. So um, it's just like that weird market action. Okay. Okay. I mean, that's good that you cut the loss then. Mm. Um, so will you be open to getting into a position tonight? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. No, I see. Yeah, because so you wouldn't be open to taking an entry off of a retest of the range if it breaks out of the range and then retests it. Okay. I'm just asking. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Yeah. No, I feel that. Yeah. That's it's more of a risky trade. Yeah. No, I like that. I mean, I was just asking. I'm just trying to ask I'm just trying to ask thought provoking questions. Trying to keep an open mind on my end. Um, but yeah, so that's really yeah, that's still a good risk reward. We shall see. Yeah, it's 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 moving stupid right now. Okay. Mm, yeah, no, it does. I like the patience you're exercising. I feel like I'm in no man's land past 2 days. Yeah. Is there anything else that you're looking at? Okay. Yeah, that's makes you feel like a savant. Yeah. So yeah, I mean GU would be good to trade. I think around like that. I've heard it's been good around like that 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. window because it has the U.S. dollar and the pound backing it during that New York, uh, London cross. So I used to trade GU from time to time back in the day. Yeah, in like 2022, like 2022, I was trading GU. I liked it. I mean, I was trading many pairs though. I was trading, not many, I was trading like GJ, AU, GU, AJ, yeah, AJ, UJ, uh, not gold. Um, EU, I was trading a multitude of pairs. EJ, I was trading multiple pairs. Um, like, yeah, like I started off trading AU, and then in like a few like weeks, I got super bored of it because I would do all this analysis and it would move so slow. Um, so I just stopped. Like I couldn't stand AU. Like you do so much analysis for it to move like 20 pips the whole day from yeah. You might be thinking about AJ or JPY, but AU, that's when I say that pair is slow. That pair is slow. Like I can't stand that pair. Like yeah, I had to move on. I went from AU to UJ to GJ. Plus trading GJ a bit. Then I stopped trading London session, and then started trading gold a lot. I like them too. It's just that London session. Like I can't stay up for that. Yeah. Yeah, me and actually some of the guys we were talking about going on a trip to London in December. Yeah, I've always wanted to go, so it'll be a good experience. Yeah, but yeah, yeah. The smallest of pubs. Yeah. So that's really everything that you're looking at for tomorrow? Or okay, okay. Yeah, I think GCAD is the best looking one out of the three you've pulled up so far. It's definitely due for a pullback, but yeah, I mean you just gotta trade what you see, what you're comfortable with. At the end of the day, so if you're not comfortable taking a position, even if it presents itself, then I mean then you don't have to. Yeah, No, that's all good. Yeah, I mean, losses come. It is what it is. That trade that you took to me was a good trade. Now, if you want to switch it into being more like, okay, I'm only taking those retests in that scenario, then you can do that. But I still think that was a good trade. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, like, follow your plan. People be like, why don't you just take profit whenever you feel like it's gonna reverse? I'm like, well, if you start doing that, then you're gonna get in the habit of doing that whenever you just feel nervous about a trade. Have conviction in your analysis. If your take profit is, you know, 20, 30 pips higher than where price is now, you do that for a reason. So either check your analysis to make sure that, okay, I have conviction with this, or start changing, where you have that take profit set, but don't just exit because you just feel like exiting. Yeah, yeah. I'd rather, like, my trade went in profit. My trade was in profit like over like $90, something like that, over $100 before it reversed. Now I didn't. I can just. I'm just looking at it because it shows me in ticks. But I was like, yeah, okay, like it's probably up around this much, but I wasn't gonna take it off because I mean I was feeling nervous, but then ended up reversing on me. So yeah, it is. Facts. I'm about to share my screen though, just show what what I've been looking at for tomorrow. It's gonna be a little live breakdown. I don't. I would say I'm kind of glad that price actually made its way back down to equilibrium because I don't know if you remember me saying on I either sent it through text yesterday or live on Sunday that I was looking to see price come back down here and show respect. Because this is a 4 hour imbalance. The fact that price is respecting this, I would like to see it come back up and take buy side. Uh, that's like from the way I analyze. That's what comes next. So I'm just yeah, it's 4 hour imbalance on top of a daily imbalance, where the daily imbalance is slapped on top of previous highs, which is right here. Um, so then on the 4 hour, we got that. On the 1 hour, we get even more wicks. So then going into, I'm going to draw this out because this is external high that I'm looking to see get taken. So I just like to draw myself out to like 12 o'clock the following day because I don't let myself trade past 12 p.m. I've just seen like with NQ, at least for myself, that like that volatility really goes down after like lunchtime. Like the moves that would normally work around like 9 or 10 don't work as well at 1 or 2 p.m. Um, so uh, these are like this is the range that price has expanded to. Um, Ideally, see price come and take sell side here. So I'm gonna just put 1 hour. Um, See price come and take this, possibly just wick it out, and then go and take buy side because I'm bullish on the pair. I just need an opportunity. I would say that possibly. Let me delete this. Well, let me not delete it. Let me hide it because I want to be able to see like what my chart looks like at the end of the week. Uh, yes, that's like ideal situation as of right now. Unless price comes and takes if price creates like, I would say like this type of structure within like throughout the night, like if it does something like this, then I would look for like either this low or this low to get taken, something like this, and then enter, targeting the highs. Yeah, but as of right now, there isn't much structure on like the 15 for me to look for it to take. Like, I could have this here, this low, as an area. So I'll just put 15. Um, but really, I'm just looking like at reasons to look for buys because price is not wanting to sell off. Like it's wedging, um, still respecting this low, even though it's running it. It won't close below it. Uh, so on the 15, this would be ideal. Like if price comes and takes this, but what I've usually seen from me the past few weeks is been like price will come and take it, and then they'll still take that 1 hour because it's so close. Like there's more volume under here than there is here. Yeah, so it's probably gonna take both, if anything. Um, and then like 15, like I don't really think I need to draw this, but like we have this here. Now, from what I'm seeing right now, like price is closer to this high than these lows. I wouldn't be surprised to see price come and take this up here. I'm not looking to sell, but yeah, especially like during London session, possibly. But then again, like what price has been doing since Sunday night is it will like stay in between the range. On Monday, going into Monday, it broke the range that I had been looking at, um, and then created like new structure. Yeah, going into New York, created new structure, but there was no. This looks perfect on the 15, but on the 5 minute and the 1 minute, there are no um, opportunities for entry within my plan, so I didn't take anything, which is very hard. I'm not gonna lie. I was tempted to take a trade right around here uh, because we have imbalance here, but price hadn't broken structure to the upside. It had just, it created a high here, higher low relative to this one, um, and then created an equal one, and then, but it had that imbalance. But I've taken that before, and that tends not to work. So I I don't want to keep like doing that bad habit. So, right here, yeah, no, because actually this gray box was a 5 minute imbalance that I was looking to see. Now this is the type of imbalance that is an A plus setup. If I was looking at like when price broke this, I'm then looking at structure like okay, price took um, 15 minute sell side right here, um, took buy side going into the market open, then to take sell side again on like the 5 minute, which what we're on right now, gives us enough momentum to go long, targeting the 4 hour high. When price broke this structure, really this structure here to the upside, I was looking to see instead of price come all the way here, I was looking to see price come down here, enter, and then target here. With first take profit set here. Yeah, where it just went straight up, which is totally fine, but it was frustrating to see happen because once this happened, once price took this, my objective for the day was completed. So there was no reason for me to look for a trade. Plus, it was nearing 12 when price came back down to it. Um, and after 12, yeah, it already happened. I just wasn't presented an opportunity with my current plan to take advantage of it. I looked on like each time frame. There was really nowhere for me to. There was no trade that I missed. Like yeah, I could have got it in here. I could have got it in around this area. Yeah, exactly. Like it wouldn't have been consistent. It would have been a very inconsistent setup. Um, but yeah, so going into tomorrow, like really what I'm just looking to see is price take. I would like to see price come and take at least this 15 minute, um, and then start looking at buy positions. I'll probably load on a few contracts, simply because like external. I'll probably set one contract off here, another one here, and the last one here, or depending on however many contracts I enter. If that happens, like, uh, I just don't want to be greedy because this is a big price range. So, yeah, yeah, yes. I was actually gonna start trading live this week, but I wanted to, you know how like on Sunday we were talking about like all of us like having our homework for the week and stuff. My homework was to like have a week of me following my trading plan and not take entries that have nothing to do with my trading plan. I wanted to have at least a week of that, like before um, going live, because last week's habits were terrible. Like I felt not not like unsure of myself, but I was like, okay, I said I was gonna do a month of demo trading to get used to futures and get some consistency, and I had no consistency last week. If anything, I was consistent in a negative way. Uh, so like, I just want to just get back right on track this week, um, and then go into it next week, knowing okay, like I can follow my system. I know that I'm going to follow my system for the entire week. Like today, I wasn't really thinking about taking a trade. I was thinking more about like, okay, I need to just follow my system, just follow my system. And I like how I was thinking, even though I took a loss. So if I can just continue with that, especially tomorrow, because I'll be working from home tomorrow, I'll be a little bit more, not a little bit more, I will be just as attentive on the charts, less distractions of being at work. That sounds crazy, work as work being a distraction, but yeah. um, yeah, facts. Um, but yeah, just just like tomorrow, really don't rush anything. Don't feel like I have to take anything. If nothing presents itself, then I don't take it. Um, and then Thursday and Friday should be a breeze as far as like following the plan. So yeah, that's really what I'm looking at for tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Obviously, I'll send like updates in the Discord. Um, you send updates as well. I know you're not really looking to take anything, maybe except for the GCAD, possibly. But I texted Renard. Uh, I think he might be busy right now. He's not even here. You know he's living with me for the summer, right? Yeah, we at my parents' crib. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I know I know he's busy right now. I think I know what he's up to, but um, you said what? Yeah, yeah. Facts. Yeah, I couldn't do it without him. Um, yeah. Thanks. When we come up to Jersey, you gotta join us for. It gotta be 12. We can do like one or two. Yeah, yeah, sounds good. But I texted him. He hasn't answered. I'm gonna just make sure he's good, and then hopefully Kyle can join us for one of these calls because I think he's good people. I know you would like him. Yeah, facts. The more people we can get, the better. I really want this to be like a community of people. I do like the small group feeling though. Yeah. Yeah, no, I feel it. I'm the same way. It's like usually like I meet people that say that they trade and they don't really trade. Yeah, like it'll be like they just like mess around with it, or like they're not really trying to. I would say they're not trying to make I would say like consistent progress with it. Yeah, so it's like I'll be feeling like this is like my community of people. Like I just you guys understand me a bit more than most. So yeah, I'd be looking forward to these calls. You said, oh yeah, I need to yeah, cause her and I we saw each other on Sunday. She was here. I don't think she's in town though anymore. She's definitely back in Greensboro, I think. Yeah, yeah, we were talking about that. Cause I was yeah, it's gonna be a good time. I never been. I never was really with the. I was never uh really much involved with what's her name Earn Your Leisure. Yeah, I never really um listened to their stuff that much before. I do need to start though. Mm-hmm. Uh, Facts. Yeah. Yeah. No, yeah, it's gonna be good. I think it will be cool for all of us to eventually. All of us eventually will host our own conference, our own trading conference when we get there. So yeah, yeah. Gotta go to what's it called? FX Summit. Yeah, they're doing it in Dubai this year though. If they're, because I was planning on going, I thought they were gonna do it again in Miami because it's like I believe it's their third year doing it, second or third year. No, I think it's their third year doing it. Yeah, like yeah, it's like they haven't even been doing it for like 5 years. Like it's been less than half a decade, and they're going to Dubai already. And I'm like, oh well, I'm not going to Dubai. Like I'm not. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah, that day is not this 365 days. Yeah. Yeah, I don't see myself doing that just yet. If they do one in what you call it, yeah, in Miami, then I'll spin to that one. But besides that, it's not looking good for me. I believe October and November. I'm pretty sure. I need to go to Miami just to go. I need to do that. I don't think have I ever been to Miami? I don't think I have. I've been to like different places in Florida, like many different places, like Orlando, uh, Jacksonville. You got family down there or something? Oh, okay. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, me and Renard, we gonna have to take a trip down there. You gonna have to be our, yeah. I think like 6 hours, maybe less. Yeah, I don't think it's too bad at all. Yeah, facts. That's facts. Yeah, but yeah, I'm probably about to sign off on here. I gotta go on another run tomorrow morning. So, what you call it? I'm gonna just send this analysis in the group chat. Catch up with you tomorrow. If you do hear from Renard, tell that man get on the Discord when we get on the Discord. Um, but yeah, thanks for hopping on. Alrighty, sounds good. Yeah, you too. All right, bet. Yeah, facts. I'll talk to you in a bit. All right, see ya.